This time, FeiyuTech brings you a brand new G6 gimbal for action cameras, which is totally different with others. G6 innovation is far more than these. Now, let us bring it and go outside for fun. OLED indicator to show you various information, including working modes, power consumption, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi connection, and so on. Improve motor torque, greatly avoiding the gimbal shaking. After connection of gimbal and camera through Wi-Fi, G6 can change camera working mode, resolution, FPS, and some other parameters. And shutter button can control the camera to do shooting and recording directly. Single-hand controls 2 equipments. Setting time-lapse photography recording mode when you are camping, you will never miss any wonderful time. This is the traveling way it should be. Of course, splash-proof is a must. Whoa, easy man! But don't worry, I know it's fine. This is your new G6.